resuming. So I just peeled this string, the A string and the other string, and now I'm trying to this G string I'm trying to restring. It finally fitted because I stripped it off. So I'm stringing the G string, make sure it fits the middle, the notch in here, and I'm gonna move it up and string it to this peg. So we're gonna remove this peg, so, and I'm gonna put a peg soap on this. Peg soap. So now we can restring it. Make sure it fits the notch over here, and I'm gonna insert this and string it. So when stringing it, make sure you push the peg in and make sure it's not overlapping. So I'm doing that right now. Push it in. I'm gonna zoom it so you can see what's happening here. So I'm zooming in how I'm stringing this G string. Let's see here. See that clearly? Make sure it's not overlapping. Okay, so there you go. And push it in. So there we go. You got the G string and D string, which is this peg. Remove this peg. So remove the old string and remove this so we can put some peg soap. So let's put some peg soap here so this won't slip when we try in the new string. Okay, so now let's try the new string in. Okay, so moving on, we're doing the D string, and I also have scraped this off already so it will fit our fine tuner peg. So let's open this up, show you what I did here. As you can see, I stripped off this piece, and there is a little piece here that would keep your thing secure. And now we're gonna attach it to your tuner here, which should fit just right. So let's see here. See if washing work. So yes, it does fit. Yes, it does fit. Make sure it's, oops, this one is not in the glove. Oops. Let's put it back. Make sure it's fit, it's tight, and keep it in the notch. And make sure it's fitting over here. And then we're gonna attach it to the peg. So this is the peg with this peg soap, and we're gonna attach it over here, this string, and make sure it's in line. Insert it in the hole. So I insert it in the hole like so, and then start turning once you got it there. I string it, so keep it tight over here and just turn. Okay, so the third string is finally strung. And we have the last string, which is the A string, which is this thinnest string. So we're stringing our last A string. It's over here. And it's already been stripped. Okay, so let's put it in. Fits perfectly. And let's put it on a notch over here. And string it over here. Okay. So this is our last string. We're gonna put in the peg. I already put a peg soap on this one. So you can see the hole over there. That's where we're gonna insert this string. Okay, and start turning this way. Make sure it's not overlapping. Make sure it's lined up and push it in. Push it in tight. That's it. So we got all our strings tuned. Not tuned, but strung all our strings. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.